Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a pop-up in Figma. We'll cover the fundamental steps to create dynamic and engaging user interfaces. Pop-ups are crucial for guiding users, providing alerts, or displaying extra details without navigating away from the main content. You can design anything from a simple confirmation box to a complex modal, enhancing your prototype's realism and user experience significantly. This process is straightforward and highly customizable. To begin, create a new frame in Figma that will house your pop-up's content. This frame should contain all the elements you want to display, such as a title, a message, and perhaps a button or two. Make sure to give it a descriptive name. You might also add a semi-transparent background layer behind your pop-up frame to create a visual overlay, drawing the user's attention directly to the new element. Now, let's make your pop-up interactive. Select the element that will trigger the pop-up, such as a button or an icon. In the Prototype tab, drag a connection from this trigger to your pop-up frame. Choose Open Overlay as the interaction type. You can then specify the overlay's position, like centered or top right, and select an animation, perhaps a move in or dissolve effect, for a polished user experience. Finally, ensure users can easily close your pop-up. Add a dedicated close button or an X icon within the pop-up frame itself. In the Prototype tab, connect this close element to the Close Overlay action. For enhanced usability, you can also enable close when clicking outside in the overlay settings. Remember to use pop-ups judiciously, reserving them for essential interactions or information to avoid overwhelming your users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.